Welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to quickly talk about Etihad's latest business class amenity kit. It's the Agua de Parma amenity kit. Unfortunately not the Casa de Armani, which I think that they were supposed to be coming out with, but I don't know when that's going to actually happen. But here's a look at this kit, and the bright yellow kit there from Etihad. This was as of January the 1st, so this is the latest kit you're gonna get with toothbrush, toothpaste. You've got socks, some cologne, as well as some lotion there from Agua de Parma. So that's what you're in store for in the latest kit that Etihad has for their business class customers. So as always, I do appreciate you watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with a friend.